And please open to page number 27 of chapter number 2. We are talking about motion. So we have discussed the terms distance, displacement, velocity, speed, acceleration, and you are now clear about them. We've also studied the equations of motions, which are the formulas given in a table. These are the formulas that we use for solving the problems. Okay. Now when you look at page number 27, this is graphical integration in motion analysis. This is chapter 2, page 27. So what are we talking about? We have a graph like this, and we have, this is figure 2.13, this is A. So here along y-axis you have A, along x-axis you have time. Okay, so this is one graph. The second graph we have here is v velocity, t time, and this is figure 2.13b. We talked about graphs before also in this chapter, right? We know that motion can be represented with the help of graphs. We also know that whenever you are working with a graph, you should pay attention to what's on the x-axis and what's on the y-axis, because the meaning of the graph changes according to what is taken along the y-axis and what is taken along the x-axis. So in this case, we are talking about a graph in which acceleration is taken along the y-axis, time is taken along the x-axis, and similarly velocity here is taken along the y-axis, time is taken along the x-axis. So now let's look at a graph here, something like this. Okay. So let us say we are looking at 2 points. This is T0 and there is another point, let us say this is T1. Of course, when you will be applying this, you will be given specific values to solve the problems, and then you will plot them accordingly on the graph. I just realized wearing a mask and speaking loudly takes a lot of strength.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? मुझे नहीं सोचा मेरी सांस क्यों चढ़ जा रहा है. Okay. So anyway, now when I've marked this, if I take the area under this curve, what will I get? The area under the curve will give me, हाँ? सोच के बताओ. What will be the area under the curve? If you have acceleration A along the y-axis and you have time t along the x-axis, क्या होना चाहिए? हॉस्टलाइट्स कितने हैं? एक तो आप हो ना? Anyone else? No. आप दो आते रहोगे, right? Good. Okay. आ जाओ. So आप चेयर इधर लाके कैसे रखोगे? नहीं, ये मैं उठा लेती. ओके. आ जाओ बेटा, आप थोड़ा सा इसको साइड पे करोगे? इसको ऑफ करके दोबारा कर लेंगे.